when you try to spider flick it and it doesn't go through all the way. Oh shit! Oh shit! Bruh. Make some shortcut openings here. This is a CRJV.
Say what?
This is a CJRB. Try to say that 10 times fast. CJRB knife. This one is the Pyrite. Check out the card up there on the top right. But yeah, we are talking button locks. We're talking button locks, and yeah, this is as good as it gets. It's a little bit tricky because there's a lot of tension going on from that. Right, there's a lot of tension going on. This one is again over at the unboxing video on the paramilitary military. What is military? Military, really? Military? Come on. So yeah, if you prioritize your lanyard, I think it's called Taichung. It is, yeah, definitely a lot closer to the Rap Model 2 than it is to the Rap Model 2 than it is to the Rap Model, the 1 to the 2. Hello and what is going on, guys? My name is Miguel and welcome to the very first video on this channel. I wanted to do a welcome video just to kind of kickstart everything, just to show you guys a very beginning, so hopefully years and years from now we can look back at this video and just see how and where everything started. As you guys probably already know by seeing videos, other videos in the channel, this channel is all about EDC, everyday carry, items that are useful that you carry on a daily basis for multiple different reasons. So mainly knives and flashlights and pens and all kinds of other fidgety toys, right? Other fidgety toys that you may carry on a daily basis. I am very passionate about this niche, and it's actually funny to think that it was only a couple months ago that I really came across a video about some of these items, and then started looking more into it and fast forward a couple of months, I have definitely gotten myself quite an arsenal of items here that I'm very passionate about having them, collecting them, and also very passionate to share them with you guys, to be able to kind of share my opinion, share my thoughts, right? That's what this channel is going to be all about, right? Being able to share my point of view, my experience with certain items, be able to do unboxings, be able to do reviews, be able to do provide value to the EDC and knife community.